Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Alice. First, I want to congratulate our Indonesia client who has got approved by the GACC for his dried konjac chips. Now he can export products to China and make profits. On March 25th this year, the General Administration of China Customs issued a notice on the inspection and quarantine requirements for the import of dried Indonesia konjac chips. That is in accordance with the Chinese laws and regulations and the protocol between the GACC and the Ministry of Agriculture of the Republic of Indonesia. Since the date of announcement, it allows Indonesia dried konjac chips that meet the relevant requirements to export to China. Besides, the definition of dried konjac chips refers to the dried chips grown or processed in Indonesia from the konjac tubers as raw materials, processed by cleaning, slicing, drying, and other process, not directly for human consumption. If you still want to know whether dried konjac powder can be imported, you can contact us for further information. Thus, the approval of announcement and protocol mean that Indonesia dried konjac chips manufacturers only need to follow the requirements of Decree 248/249 to complete the registration of manufacturers and obtain the China registration number. Then they can export to China. So after announcement issued, we have received many inquiries from dried konjac chips manufacturers and have successfully helped Indonesia manufacturers to complete the registration. For example, Indonesia client A, before entrusting us with the registration, they had tried several times on their own. However, it was rejected several times due to different reasons, such like choose unmatched HS code. With the signing of the protocol, the HS code that matches the product has also been updated. So if you still use the previous HS code for registration, it will result in the failure. So if you are not sure of the correct HS code for your product, be sure to contact us for confirm. It should also be noted that under the same HS code, there are also different CIQ codes. For example, under this HS code, food not listed in order number, it contains more than 17 different CIQs, corresponding to different specific product types. If you cannot choose the correct and comprehensive code, it is very likely that you will not be able to do the customer clearance. We have seen many cases that the registered HS code don't match or incomplete, which found when the goods arrive at the port for customer clearance, resulting in huge cost. So please contact us for further confirm. And you can also be refused because of the materials you submitted are not compliant. The compliance work requires you know clearly about the Chinese regulations, related laws, and key points of the checklist, so it suggests to entrust a professional compliance service entity to do the work. For this client, after we took over the work, we helped clients to choose the correct HS code, and also we standardized relevant materials to ensure the accuracy and compliance of the submitted materials. At the same time, we positively maintain close communication with Indonesia competent authority and our GACC to cooperate with the official review and push the whole process. With our help, the whole registration process is very smooth and efficient, and it only took about 2 weeks since acceptance and to the final approval of the GACC, which is very efficient for the high-risk food. And of course, this is also thanks to the high efficiency work of our GACC. Undoubtedly, our high-quality service have been highly recognized by our client, and we have been fully entrusted with the registration of their other products. From above case, we can also see that there are many reasons that can lead to the failure of registration. And we also need to notice that the GACC sometimes would not list all the problems when they refused. So it would be better that you do all stuff perfect at the first time. And clearly, the process of submission, refusal, and resubmission will cost a lot of time and energy. In this process, you are likely to miss the best time to enter the Chinese market, as well as many precious marketing opportunities. Like konjac, such seasonal products, if you miss the production season, it has to wait the next year. This will lead to the missing of huge markets and profits. What's more, for those who have shipped goods in advance without obtaining the registration number, they are likely to encounter the situation of unable to complete the custom clearance, resulting in high-value cargo being stuck in the port, charging high demurrage, or even having to destroy the cargo. Therefore, it is also recommended that manufacturers must obtain the registration number before shipping. The efficiency and accuracy of each step of the application process will directly affect the acquisition of the registration number. Therefore, manufacturers should entrust a professional compliance service entity to effectively solve this problem in the process of registration. Until now, our entity has helped many enterprises in many countries to successfully complete the registration. Every month, we have registration application approved. For example, for recommended registration kind, like edible greens, vegetable oil and oilseeds, nuts and seeds, fresh and dehydrated vegetables. For self-registration kind, like different kinds of beverage, roasted coffee beans and its products. Our professional and efficiency, as well as the high quality of services, have been highly recognized by our clients. A year has passed since Decree 248 was issued, and more than 13,000 manufacturers have successfully got the China registration number. Because Chinese buyers mainly look for suppliers from the list registered on the China customs, it will also bring you huge business opportunities. The Chinese market is huge. If your company has passed the customs registration and your competitor have not, there is no doubt that you will gain competitive advantages from the moment you contact us. So for those who have not registered, welcome to contact and consult us. And you can also follow up our channel to learn more about the registration. We regularly updates, and we have many other useful videos, such like the explanation of Decree 248 checklist. You can check and learn more. See you next time.